play along, ain't like DJ A-Man, one full of boppers. Tell them give me topper, beat it up, now I wanna hit the covers. I'm S-A-G-E, who would like to know? 3-5 for them, large me in your throat. West side, can you do what you do? And you got chill, let that get show. It's pretty in the vibe, it's the way that I go. I be stepping up in the club, they make it drop to my show. I do it back cause I score. I don't give a
Check. Now that was pretty good. We're doing a slow down, a little gas pedal. But now we got everybody back. We're gonna do Cupid Shuffle one more time. We need everybody. These guys are gonna stay up here. They're gonna show you how it's done. I need everybody in the crowd right now to help us out on this dance. Let's do this right now. Here we go.
We got a brand new dance. They say I'm a rapper, and I say no. They say what you doing, trying to do somebody go. I just let the music come from my soul, so all of my people can stay on the floor. They got a brand new dance. You gotta move your muscle. Brand new dance. It's called a Cupid Shuffle. It don't matter if you're young or you're old. Here we go. We gonna show you how it goes.
Check. All the guys, the bell has rung. From my understanding, everybody needs to go back to class, but thank you very much. Really appreciate it.